What's up YouTube, Regitech here, and today we're going to be reviewing and installing this Ounier 9H tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So just like with any other review, we're going to go ahead and start off by looking around the box. So on the front cover you see the company's name, Ounier. You see that it does say that it's a 9H tempered glass screen protector, and it does have that 3D curve. Down here at the bottom left-hand corner, it says that it is shatterproof, that it has an anti-oil coating, it protects your eyes, it has an anti-fingerprint coating, and it has HD transparent glass. Coming over to the side of the box, you do see the company's name again. And then on the back of the box, it gives you some more information about this screen protector. So it's 9H anti-crack series. It's a tempered glass film. It has a case-friendly design. It's crystal clear, it has scratch resistance, and it has oil resistance. So you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box up and see what we get inside. And here is everything that we get inside of the package. First off, we get a nice little card that is thanking us for the purchase of the Ounier's product, and I really do like that these companies are including a little thank you card there. Next up, we do get installation instructions, and we'll just take a quick look at that right there. And that's basically it on that little piece of paper. Next up, we get the screen protector accessories. We'll go ahead and open that up right now. And inside of that little baggie, you get a dust removal sticker set, you get a screen protector wipe, and you get a microfiber cloth. And finally, we get the actual tempered glass itself. So we'll take that out of the little foam packaging right there. And the tempered glass itself feels really nice, actually. It has a pretty thick feel to it. I do like that it does have the 3D borders. I don't know if I can get this to focus in. And you guys can see that it does round off at the corners of the screen protector. And then it has a nice big cutout up here for all of the sensors on the phone. And then a nice black rim to go with the black surroundings of the screen itself. So let's go ahead and start this installation. So first up, you're going to want to take that screen protector wipe and just go ahead and give your screen a thorough cleaning. Next up, you're going to want to take that microfiber cloth and give your screen a nice polish. And once you feel that your screen is perfectly clean, if you guys have ever watched any of my other installation videos for screen protectors, I do like to go ahead and give it a nice dust off with some compressed air. And finally, we're going to go ahead and use the stencil guide that they do give us. And I don't think I mentioned that this was in the package before. But you also get a nice stencil guide in the package to aid with the installation of the screen protector. So you're going to want to apply this accordingly. So where all the sensors are located up at the top of the screen, you're just going to want to put this piece with the extra plastic up there. And you're going to want to snap this right into place. So it has a bunch of hooks that hook onto the back of the phone. And once that's nice and snug, you're just going to want to give your screen either another little wipe down with the microfiber cloth. And once you're satisfied with that, what I like to do is give another gust of air with the compressed air. And finally, we're going to go ahead and install this screen protector. So what you have to do is peel off the film from the back portion of this screen protector, just like so. And all you have to do is slide it right into the guide stencil and let it do its job. And then you just want to give it a nice firm press around the edges because all of the glue is located around the edge of this screen protector. And once you're finished with that, just go ahead and unclip the guide stencil, and just like that, you have the screen protector installed on your phone. So now that we have the screen protector installed on our phone, we're going to go ahead and test out how the phone's functionality is while using the screen protector. So as you guys know, the S8 Plus has the haptic sensor at the bottom, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap that, and it comes on with no issues. It recognizes my touch right away. Now, as the screen is on, I can see no difference in color whatsoever with using the screen protector or not using the screen protector. So the screen quality stays exactly the same. So their statement about it having HD transparency is actually true. Now, as I swipe onto the phone screen, I have no problems with lag or with the touch sensitivity. Everything works really well, and there's no problems whatsoever. I really do like the feel of this screen protector. It feels like I'm touching the actual glass of the phone, which is nice. And it doesn't really add any extra texture to the phone itself. It feels very natural. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and type in some words into Google or some letters just to see how the touch sensitivity is. And as you guys can see, I am barely touching the screen itself, and it's recognizing every single touch I make. And I really do like that. I don't have to make any extremely hard presses onto the screen just for it to recognize my touch. I can relax and type just the way I would type without having a screen protector applied to my phone. And that's exactly what I look for when I'm looking for a screen protector for a phone. And now for my final thoughts on this Ounier tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. This tempered glass screen protector really does check off a lot of the boxes that I look for when I am looking to purchase a screen protector. It definitely fits the price. It's a very low-cost screen protector, and in being low cost, it definitely won't break the bank. Another thing that I like about this screen protector is how well it fits the actual screen of the phone. It gives you that full coverage experience while also allowing you enough space so that you can even use a case while using the screen protector. Not to mention that it does have that HD transparency that keeps your phone screen looking exactly as it does without having a screen protector on the screen itself. And while talking about having a screen protector on your phone, it doesn't affect in any way the sensitivity of your screen. So the exact same sensitivity that you would have while using your phone without a screen protector is the same sensitivity that you're getting while using your phone with this Ounier screen protector. And I really do like that this screen protector is that sensitive on the screen. Another thing that I do like about this screen protector is the easy installation that it does have. It comes with all the tools that you need: the cleaning cloth, the microfiber, the dust removal stickers, and this really useful guide stencil. And I really do like this because all you have to do is pop the guide stencil on and just drop the screen protector in onto your phone, and that's basically the end of the installation. The installation is as simple as that. The only thing that I am noticing about this screen protector that contradicts what it says on the box is that it does have a bunch of fingerprints and oil from my fingers rubbing off onto the screen protector. But to be honest, with all the other aspects of the screen protector that check off with me, I really don't mind that too much. So you guys, if you want to check out this screen protector by Ounier, I will be leaving a link to it down in the description box below. If you guys have any questions or comments on the screen protector, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll be quick to answer them. If you guys like this review and installation of this Ounier tempered glass, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if you like this content and want to see more content just like this, consider subscribing to my channel. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.